Hello everyone, welcome back to Bootsec. Today we will discuss a reflected XSS vulnerability, what it is, how it works, and how to fix it on the back end. After the explanation, I will show you a practical demonstration. Can you see the URL? This looks harmless, right? It seems like this is just a search page only. But in this wheel, with one small change, it can run JavaScript code inside the victim's browser. Let's understand this thing in a better way. Okay, now see the URL carefully. This HTTP is the protocol, and this is our web server IP. And this is the server IP port. This search thing is actually a path, and this queue is a query parameter for search. And the parameter's value is currently set to hello. Alright, now let's understand the reflected XSS vulnerability. Reflected XSS happens when a web application takes input from the user and immediately reflects in the HTML response without any proper validation. The browser then takes that input as a code instead of the text. Let's see a practical demonstration. You can see that this is our lab for today's video, and there is a search field where we can actually search for anything. Let's search for hello, and if I go and see the source code to see what is actually going on, whatever you can see any website source by pressing Ctrl plus C. Now you can see that this is our website source. It looks normal, right? We will change the query to include an XSS payload so that our server can inject it into its code. Okay, now see, in this case, this is our XSS payload, but this is actually a script tag, and the alert one is usually for prompting one. Let's enter this and see the result. Here you can see that our alert is prompting up, which means the payload is working on this website. Let's see what's going on in the background. Now carefully listen. When we use an XSS payload in this queue parameter, the server responds with the script tag in the page. The server adds additional user input into the HTML code, and the browser executes this script tag. That's how the reflected XSS vulnerability is working. Now let's talk about how we can fix this issue on our website. Here are 4 bullet points explaining how you can fix this. Number 1. Always use context aware output encoding. Number 2. Use a framework or a template that's automatic or auto-validating and avoiding malicious inputs. Number 3. Validate all inputs from the server side. And number 4. Enforce a strict CSP header, then test with payloads and automated scanners. That's it for today's video. This is a quick theory, live demonstration, and solution of reflected XSS. If you found this video as helpful, then like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay safe and code securely. Goodbye.